I'm Eric Mattei from matteirealty.ca. Welcome to 125 Kayla Crescent number 3 in Vaughan. This beautiful upgraded townhouse has no carpet, has wood stairs with wrought iron spindles, upgraded kitchen, hardwood floors. It has 2 large bedrooms upstairs. There's also 2 bathrooms and 2 balconies, one of which is in the primary suite of this excellent unit. Add to that, there's private garage parking associated with this unit as well, in a location that steps to transit, steps to the highway, shops, parks, and more. If you'd like to know more about 125 Kayla Crescent number 3, please contact me, Eric Mattei, at matteirealty.ca. Thank you.